After a weekend-long wedding celebration, the new Mr. and Mrs. George Clooney made their union official today. Here you see the actor and his new wife, Alma Al-Adin, heading to Venice's town hall by water taxi for a civil ceremony. There they signed the paperwork to be legally pronounced man and wife under Italian law. Clooney married the British human rights attorney Saturday in a star-studded private ceremony. Throughout the summer, talk of a prenuptial agreement between them began to swirl when Clooney's wedding was mentioned. Now, his assets are said to be well over $200 million, and to protect his wealth, experts say his future wife should have signed one. But what about everyday people? Who should sign and why? We talked to a legal expert. On the day many say their I do's, prenups and divorce are the farthest things from the happy couple's mind. But with many high-profile marriages ending in divorce and with millions at stake, the agreements or binding contracts have become regular conversation.
And individuals with substantial wealth generally consider prenup so they can protect their assets in the event that the marriage does not work out.
Kelvin Boddie is a Dayton attorney who handles a mix of legal issues. He says he began seeing prenups about 15 years ago, many times for the same situation.
They've been previously married. And they have children from their first marriage whom they would like to receive the assets if their second marriage doesn't work out.
Yeah, I think it's a good idea.
Brookville resident Ken Claggett says it just makes sense.
If I had the money, it protects my children in case there's a divorce.
With 50% of marriages ending in divorce, some legal experts say a prenuptial agreement is a must for those trying to protect their assets, their wealth. But for at least one woman we talked to, she says she wouldn't sign.
I don't think I would sign one.
Even if the man you love told you that he was just protecting, his previous children or whatever.
And I can understand that, but if you can't trust me, maybe there's a bigger issue.
And you don't have to be rich for a prenup to make sense. Maybe you're older and have real estate or other investments you want to keep. Or you're young and your potential spouse comes into the marriage with a large amount of debt and you don't want to be responsible in case of a divorce. And something else to think about: if you don't have a prenup and your marriage goes south, generally the rules of the state that you reside in will govern what decision a court makes.